Hi, I'm Tom D, and in this video I want to show you how to check available disk space in your Elasticsearch cluster using the curl commands. Let's start. First step is to create 3 Elasticsearch nodes so you can see how the total disk space is being summarized. First, create 3 volumes. 3 volumes of 3 different sizes. First size is 5 megabytes, second is 7 megabytes, and the third one is 11 megabytes. Those volumes will be used for the token containers. Okay, they are created. Add the first Elasticsearch node. This node is a version 8.12.1, but it can be also different version. Started. Now set up the password for this cluster. So you can use API to obtain the enrollment token for the rest of the nodes. Password successfully reset. Next, obtain the enrollment token so you can authenticate other nodes to this node and form the 3-node cluster. Now the token is saved under the variable token, so it can be used in the next command. 2 commands at once. Each is using token variable. So those 2 nodes will authenticate to the first one and form 3-node cluster. Because they are started, so you can check the current disk space. Notice that I am dividing the available bytes by multiplication of 1024, so it will calculate the megabytes. So this is how I'm calling the field megabytes. So it is 23 because it was 7, 5, and 11, which summarized to 23. And available megabytes is what we can write to Elasticsearch. So this is the amount of data that is on this nodes. That is amount under the data volume over here. So this is the amount of data that you can store. Now let's see how it will change if you load the data. Create the mapping for index with 2 replicas. Means all the nodes will contain some data. To download sample, you can use IPFS gateway, and here I prepared for you sample image that I will convert to the base 64, and that will be the data to load to Elasticsearch. Now I'm converting that file into base 64 format and save under some data variable. And using those 2 commands, you are preparing the entry for bulk insert. The first entry is always index and ID, and then you have a customer name as a field, and this some data variable that will put their base 64 string. JSON file is created, so now time to load from that file. Important to use the data binary here and this content type. Okay, let's load it. Successful. Now if you check the disk size and disk space, you can see that there is a available 21. Because it was small file, so it doesn't consume so much. It was 22, now it's 21, so around 1 megabyte it was consumed. So in this video you have learned how to check available disk space on your Elasticsearch cluster. It doesn't matter if it contains 100 nodes or 200 nodes. You can use the same command here to check the disk space, total disk space that is on a cluster and what is available right now. And you can use it, of course, with Watcher and Kibana to monitor your cluster capacity and send some alerts if it is about to be fully occupied. Thank you for watching this video. I'm sure you'll be using that technique from now, and please remember to subscribe to the channel and write some comments if you like. so this channel can grow and I can produce more videos for you in future. See you, bye.